Searching the net, this seems to be a problem caused by spaces in the Python installation path. How do I get pip to work without having to reinstall everything in a path without spaces?
It seems that will work anyway. Worked for me. See link by user 474491.
On Windows at least, pip stores the execution path in the executable pip.exe when it is installed. Edit this file using a hex editor or WordPad. You have to save it as plain text, then to retain binary data, change the path to Python with quotes and spaces like this. To an escaped path without spaces and quotes and pad with spaces, dots at the end should be spaces. For C:\program files, this path would probably be C:\program1, shortened path names in DOS, Windows 3.x notation use tilde and numbers. Windows provides this alternative notation for backwards compatibility with DOS, Windows 3.x apps. Note that as this is a binary file, you should not change the file size, which may break the executable, hence the padding. Save with administrator privileges. Make sure it is actually saved at the target location and try again. You might also need to set the path variable to use the notation for the path to pip.
Having the same trouble I read in this URL, that to update pipets. Python m pip install u pip. So I made, for example, Python m pip install virtualenv. And it worked. So you can do the same being virtualenv another package you want.
Python m pip really works for the problem fatal error in launcher column unable to create process using .worked on Windows 10.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.